morning to all my dear students. Students, now in this, first of all I tell you what is the course of GK. It is from chapters 23 to 32. Chapters 23 to 32. So some of the chapters we have solved in online classes and few chapters we are going to solve through tutorial. So let's start the tutorial. Now students, we will start from chapter number 26, imported words. Bon voyage means have a nice journey. Vice versa in reverse order. Anno Domini in the year of Lord. Nota bene to take special notice. Stet allow. Prime fist at first sight. Postmortem means after death. Modus operandi a particular way of doing something. Ex officio out of office. De facto existing in fact. Alma mater one's old school, college or university. Ad hoc not planned in advance. So these are the imported words. Now students, we are going to do world of computers. Let's start. The invention of computer is rooted in the development of other mathematical machines beginning with the ancient abacus. Second, the genius who is considered to be the father of computers is Charles Babbage. A computer is a machine that processes information according to a set of instructions called a program. The first computer programmer was Augusta Ada Lovelace. Augusta Ada Lovelace. Fifth number, the part of a computer's memory where information is temporarily stored is known as RAM. Letters and numbers are the combination of binary numbers. The only two binary numbers used by a computer are 0 and 1. A computer picture is called a graphic. The Greek word which literally means word and is used primarily for young children is called logo. Now students, we are going to do chapter number 28, performing arts. It is a form of performing art that involves the manipulation of puppets for storytelling. It is very ancient and is believed to have originated 3000 years ago. The answer is puppetry. It is second one, it is a form of art in which performers perform before a live audience in a specific place. The specific place of the performance is also named by the same word. The answer is theatre. Third, it originated in the Italian Renaissance courts of the 15th century and later developed into a concert zone dance form in France and Russia. The answer is ballet. Fourth, it is the art of portraying a character, mood, idea or narration by gestures and bodily movements without use of speech. That is mime. Fifth, it is the art of producing a desired effect through the casting of spells or various other techniques that presumably assure human control over supernatural agencies. The answer is magic. It is an art form in which singers and musicians perform a dramatic work combining text and musical score, usually performed in an opera house. The answer is opera. So students, this we have done chapter number 28. Now students, we are going to do the famous duos. Duos means the pairs. Popeye with Olive Oil. Daisy, Donald. Beauty, Beast. Barbie, Ken. Batman, Robin. Laurel, Hardy. Chip, Dale. SpongeBob, Patrick. Tom, Jerry. Garfield, Audie. So these are their pairs, duos. Students, now we are going to do chapter number 30, exam fever, which everyone have. Yes or no? Okay. So, examinations usually bring anxieties, pressures and stress. To succeed, you not only need to do rigorous preparation, but also need a positive attitude and a calm mind. So tick the do's and cross the don'ts to achieve this. So what you will do for the exam and what you will not do for your exams, so that the exams shall not be a burden on you. So let's start. Exam fever. Perform according to a planned timetable? Yes, right. Do last minute studying and then hope for the best? Wrong. Get out regularly into the fresh air for a break? Yes. Eat a balanced and healthy diet? Yes. Drink coffee or tea to keep awake at study at night? Yes. Drink lot of water as you will have to rush to the bathroom? Yes. Don't study continuously for hours at a stretch? Yes. Take long breaks after every 1 or 2 hours? Take long breaks after every 1 or 2 hours? No. Do deep breathing every 30 minutes to relax? Yes. Talk to your friends and relatives for a while? Yes. Sit on the computer for long hours to keep updated? No. Create a study area with proper lighting, comfortable seating arrangement, adequate ventilation, and a good temperature level? Yes. So, students, you can follow these tricks. You can follow these tricks to release your exams pressure. Okay. Okay, students, now we are going to do chapter 31, plants under the water. Let's start. This unique markloach resembles a brush used for applying cream. It is mainly eaten by sea urchins. What is the answer? Shaving brush plant. Next is 2. This seaweed looks like green grapes. It is eaten by fish such as rabbitfish and tongs. The answer is grape colerepa. It forms a fan-like leaf that is oval to round in shape. It is generally hard and thus few fish feed on it. Mermaid's fan plant. Next, the irregular oval segments of this plant appear as several small green coins forming a chain. For this reason, it is called money plant, that is Halimeda. It grows into dense forests, which are home to many marine animals that depend on the algae for food or shelter, that is giant kelp. Next, it serves as food for humans as well as various shellfish. The plant appears like a tangled bundle of threads. The answer is Gracilaria. Students, there are knowledge bits at the end of every chapter. Prepare that also. That will also come in the exams. Now students, we are going to do the last exercise of the Hafali, that is down in the desert. Okay, now let's start. This first number, yes, what is this first number animal? Actually, it is a Gila monster. Is the only poisonous lizard found in the Mojave, Sonoran and Chinohan deserts of North America. So this is a Gila monster. Now 2. What is this 2 number? 2 number is Greater roadrunner is found in the deserts of the southwestern United States from Arkansas to California. So great roadrunner. Now what is number 3? Number 3 is a garbil, is a small burrowing rodent that is native to dry sandy areas of Africa, the Middle East and Asia. Now students, what is number 4? Number 4, kangaroo rat has a pouch on the sides of its mouth that can be used for carrying food and is found in the desert regions of Mexico. Now students, what is number 5? That is a gecko, is the only lizard that makes a squeaking or clicking noise. Now students, what is number 6? Number 6, an ostrich lives in the dry savannas as well as the desert areas of Africa. 7, Javelinia is a pig-like mammal that lives in deserts in the southwestern USA and Mexico. And 8 number is Caracal is a medium-sized wild rat native to Africa and India. It eats birds, gazelles and small mice. So students, we have completed the course for the Hafalis from chapter number 23 to 32. Please prepare the chapters well, and knowledge bits are also there at the end of the chapter. Prepare that also. Okay students, have a good day.